4-tier education system in Ghana: kindergarten, preschool, basic to junior high school, free senior high school, and higher education, which we call tertiary education. We have a number of public universities in Ghana, and we have a number of private universities in Ghana, and they all offer very different generic general academic training. Like you have the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, you have the University of Ghana, you have the University of Cape Coast, you have the University for Education in Winneba, you now have Ashesi, which is doing pretty well as a private university, you have the Catholic University, and you have other private universities. Our determination is to be able to produce competitive human capital that can compete with any of you anywhere. But we know that Harvard is prestigious. You have a name and a reputation which comes before your name. But we also have our University of Ghana, we have University of Science and Technology, and we are equally producing men and women who can contribute to a sustainable world and a sustainable future. Our government tuition is free at all levels of education in Ghana. So we have a crisis. We are currently running a free senior high school problem, which is not being adequately funded. We are now emphasizing technical and vocational education so that those who are not academics and have hands-on skills can move to technical vocational institutions. We also have complementary education.